Hi, I'm Van with Bekaert, Technical Support Manager in the East.
I'm Keith, Technical Support Manager in the Western U.S. And not a lot of people know what these roles consist of, Van, but we give all types of technical support in the ag fencing industry on Bekaert specific products and installation of products.
Absolutely, Keith. We also work with our partners out in the field, whether it be dealers, distributors, contractors, to help make sure that the best practices are being used when installing ag fence.
My background's a little bit different than Van's. I come from a country lifestyle. We had horses, cattle growing up, so I was around animals all the time. And I actually went to work for Bekaert Van in 1992. So I've been around for a while.
Couple years.
Couple of years. Did a lot of work in production. Pretty much galvanized and then ran just about every fence machine known out there. Barbed wire, hinge joint fill fence, solid lock. Did a lot of work with training and hiring of new hires, and then came out on the road with the sales team, the commercial team, about 10 years ago. They took me out, started teaching me to install, sent me out with contractors and things like that. So, you know, if it's got anything to do with production and some install, I'm the guy to talk to.
Absolutely. So my background is I grew up on a tobacco and cattle farm in East Tennessee.
Nice.
So been around agriculture my whole life, and had an opportunity to come to work at Bekaert about 3 years ago doing the technical support. But even before that, I've been in the professional fencing industry for about 15 years, and that's how I got tied in. So a lot of the customers of Bekaert knew Steve. Me and Steve worked together on a lot of demos, and that's kind of how I got in with Bekaert.
But guys, Van and I are here to help. Glad to have Van on the team. I say that because I've been around for a long time. But any questions that you have on fencing products, installation of Bekaert fencing products, just let us know. You can go onto the website, fencing.bekaert.com, hit that Ask the Fence Pro section, and if you're east of the Mississippi, that's going to get you to Van. If you're west of the Mississippi, that's going to get you to me.
Absolutely, Keith, and really fortunate to work for a company that cares about their customers, does the pre-sales and post-sales support. So guys, anytime you've got fencing needs, you can check us out at fencing.bekaert.com. Always remember, Bekaert Fence, made in the USA.
Thanks for watching, guys.